टायगर रिझर्व केल्ल्या गोंयभरच्या 1000 मायज कुटुंबाच्या स्थलांतरणाचो प्रश्न निर्माण जावंये म्हूण CEC रिपोर्टांतल्यान मुखार आयला. सरकारा कडेन खंय अजून रिपोर्ट येवंक ना.
टायगर रिझर्वाचे CEC रिकमेंडेशनाचे जे आहा पळय न्ही, हांवें एजीकूय बी एट प्रेझेंट रिपोर्ट गव्हर्मेंटाच्या हातात येवंक ना अजून. एकदां गव्हर्मेंटाच्या हातात रिपोर्ट आयलो की कितें रिकमेंडेशन दिलां तेंच्यांनी, ओके, वील गो थ्रू इट आनी अकॉर्डिंग टू दॅट ताज्या उपरांत तुमकांय सांगता आनी कशें इम्प्लिमेंट करपाचें किंवा कितें तें आमी थारायता. बट जो पर्यंत रिपोर्ट हांव वाचिना किंवा रिपोर्ट कन्सर्न एजी घेवन तेजो रिपोर्ट एक समरी रिपोर्ट करून दिना तो पर्यंत आत्तां कमेंट करप हे योग्य.
Not advisable to comment on any matter that is sub judice. A committee appointed by the Supreme Court has to be respected. Their views, what they have given, accordingly the state government will look at the views submitted. But it's matters sub judice. So it's not fair on any minister to comment on any matter that is related to the Supreme Court of India, which we should actually, whatever submissions are there, we will put it in. They should go judicially, whatever the process is been told to us. It's not correct.
Wait, there is a protocol in place, okay? We have a hierarchy. Honorable Chief Minister, Honorable Forest Minister, learned AG, they will give their statements and then we will speak.
Bureau Report, Prudent.